a radar lab, World War II technology, and a chocolate bar that melted. What happened next changed every dinner you've ever had. His name was Percy Spencer. He wasn't a famous scientist. He never went to college. He was a farm boy from Maine who taught himself physics by reading at night. By the 1940s, he worked at Raytheon, building radar tubes called magnetrons. Those tubes sent powerful waves that could spot enemy planes. One day, while testing a magnetron, Spencer felt something strange in his pocket. His chocolate bar had melted. Curious, he placed popcorn kernels near the tube. They popped instantly. Then he tried an egg. It exploded. Most engineers would have laughed and moved on. Spencer didn't. He realized the microwaves were heating food from the inside out. He built a metal box that trapped those waves. Food inside cooked fast, much faster than in an oven. In 1947, Raytheon released the first commercial model, the radar range. It was taller than a man, water-cooled, and cost more than most cars. Restaurants used it, ships used it, but homes didn't. People feared radiation. Some thought food would glow in the dark. Through the 1950s and 60s, engineers made it smaller and safer. They added doors with metal screens, safety locks, and standard frequencies. By 1967, the first countertop version arrived. It was still pricey, but Americans loved convenience. Soon, leftovers had a new home. The microwave became a symbol of modern life. Speed, technology, and comfort. But behind it all was one man's curiosity. Percy Spencer never patented the idea for himself. He stayed humble, earning just $1 bonus for the discovery. He once said, "Innovation begins when you notice something others ignore." Today, nearly every American kitchen has a microwave. We heat coffee, popcorn, and dinners without thinking of the genius who started it. The microwave didn't just save time. It showed that great inventions often begin by accident and by people who pay attention. Percy Spencer didn't plan to change the world. He just wondered why his chocolate bar melted. If you learned something new, let me know in the comments. And subscribe so you don't miss the next Untold story.